Today, I will show you how to create a picture-in-picture effect using a circular mask. In Premiere Pro, I have my talking head on video layer 2. If I disable this icon, I have a screen recording below, as you can see. The most important thing to note here is that the screen recording is on video layer 1, or whatever video you might want to play in the background, and the talking head is on video layer 2. Next, we need to create a mask to cover my head and move it to any preferred corner of the frame. From the effect controls, pick opacity, then create ellipse mask. You can reposition it by clicking and dragging it over the head. To build a perfect circle, click on one of the dots here and then press Shift. Make it the size you want and then reposition it above my head. When we click out of the mask, you can see that there is some softness. If you like it, keep it. I personally prefer it sharp. Let's do that by coming here to feather and reducing it to 0. Now that there is no feathering, click on motion. This brings up the transform control. Simply click on the scale to resize it, then drag the position controls down into the corner. From here, I might want to scale it up slightly. This looks good. Now we will add a border around it. First, let's make a shape by clicking here on our toolbar. Click and choose the ellipses tool. Then we can just click, drag and hold Shift to draw a perfect circle. You can see that we just added a graphical layer to the timeline. Let's extend this clip and then place it just below the talking head. So I will bring up the talking head layer above the graphic, then select both and drag them down. We now need to center it so that it's exactly positioned behind our talking head. Select the graphic and then from Essential Graphics, select the shape layer and use the position controls to drag it into place until it's centered. It might be a little too thick at first. We can use the scale to scale this down until we get the width we want. This looks good for me. If you want to change the color of the circle, you can go to Appearance and then select Fill and then change the color you want. So that's how you make a picture-in-picture effect using a circular mask. Of course, you can use a different mask such as a square mask like I did in this video that you can go check out. Before you do, I just wanted to let you know that I launched a podcast section by the name Beyond the Timeline Podcast. Here I dive deep into filmmaking and the creative process and hosting remarkable filmmakers for a chat. A great spot for beginners, intermediate, and professionals, as well as anyone interested in learning about the ins and outs of filmmaking. I have made a playlist for it that you can listen to here. You can also find us on Spotify and other social platforms. The link is in the description below. Thank you SU Studios for making this possible. And if this video helped you, please subscribe because according to my analytics, not so many of you have subscribed. Make sure to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post more content like this on this channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and keep refining your editing skills. Until next time, kwaheri.